So step G, so final tuning and fixing. So it's worth taking your time with this step. Make sure that everything is just nicely level, the door's closing up nicely, making sure that this gap down there is consistent with this side. So it's worth just taking time just to adjust it into position. Because once you've drilled it, you haven't really got the option to do another attempt. So there you go. Just leave that open. So 3mm HSS drill bit. So it's just a case of drilling it, fixing it. What I do is I do the top two first, fix them in, and then I'll mark out the rest. So. Just drill that one in. While I'm here as well, I'll put the screw cover caps, so the little chrome caps, show you close up of those going on as well. So I'll just do this side. Okay, so that's the top two done. So I'll just repeat with the remaining four, but I'll speed up the video while I'm doing those. And I'll just set it down there. So I'll just put these cover caps on for the screws. So wherever you've got screw covers, screws, place those over. There you go. So that's the drilling, so it's all nicely fixed in position now. So I'll just move on to the sealing step, so I'll show you that. First, sealant. Also, before we put the sealant on, these cover caps. So the cover cap, there's a little curve on there. So these pegs go to the outside, so it's just a case of dropping them in position on each side. So, sealant. What we've done is we've marked it up in red. Obviously it repeats for this side, you can't see. But it's a case of sealing all the way along down the outside, all the way along around the bottom. And then there's two pieces here. So it's where the wall jamb meets the aluminium frame, and also where the bottom threshold meets the aluminium frame as well. So there's two pieces required there. So, as with any sealant, follow your guides on the instruction of the sealant, but leave it a minimum 24 hours. So, that's it. Your Nabis 6mm quadrant in position.